Legal and regulatory challenges for AI agents. As AI agents become more integrated into various industries and daily life, they present significant legal and regulatory challenges. These challenges arise because AI agents often operate autonomously, making decisions that affect individuals, organizations, and society at large. Key concerns center around issues like data privacy, security, and the need for proper regulatory frameworks to ensure AI systems are used responsibly and ethically. Policymakers, governments, and organizations worldwide are grappling with how best to regulate AI agents to balance innovation with protection of individual rights and public safety. Data privacy and security in AI agents. One of the most pressing legal challenges with AI agents involves data privacy and security. AI agents rely heavily on data to function effectively, especially in applications such as customer service, healthcare, finance, and marketing. To provide personalized experiences or make accurate predictions, these systems often collect and analyze large amounts of personal data. This creates concerns about how this data is stored, processed, and used, particularly when it comes to ensuring user consent and protecting sensitive information from misuse. In many regions, regulations like the General Data Protection Regulation (GDPR) in the European Union set strict rules for how organizations collect, store, and use personal data. Under the GDPR, individuals have the right to know what data is being collected, how it's being used, and to request the deletion of their data. AI agents must be designed in compliance with these laws to avoid significant penalties. In the United States, various state laws, such as California's Consumer Privacy Act, CCPA, offer similar protections, though the regulatory landscape is more fragmented compared to the EU. For AI agents, ensuring compliance with data privacy regulations means integrating privacy by design principles. This includes techniques like data minimization, only collecting the data absolutely necessary for the task, anonymization, and encryption to protect user data from unauthorized access. However, the dynamic nature of AI systems, which learn from large datasets, poses challenges in ensuring that privacy remains intact as these systems evolve. For example, AI agents that use customer purchase histories for recommendations must ensure that the data cannot be linked back to individuals without their consent. Data breaches pose another significant concern. AI agents, particularly those embedded in IoT systems, smart homes, and autonomous vehicles, are susceptible to cybersecurity threats. If an AI agent is compromised, sensitive data such as personal identifiers, medical information, or financial details could be exposed. Ensuring robust cybersecurity measures around AI systems is crucial for maintaining public trust and complying with legal requirements. Regulatory frameworks for autonomous systems. The development and deployment of autonomous AI systems raise unique regulatory challenges, as these agents operate with minimal human oversight and can make decisions that have far-reaching implications. From self-driving cars to autonomous drones and industrial robots, governments around the world are working to develop regulatory frameworks that ensure safety, accountability, and ethical use. In the automotive industry, for example, self-driving cars represent one of the most visible applications of autonomous AI systems. Regulatory bodies such as the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA in the US, and the European Commission in the EU have been working to create guidelines for the testing and deployment of autonomous vehicles. These regulations focus on issues such as road safety, liability in case of accidents, and cybersecurity to prevent hacking of vehicle systems. A significant challenge for regulators is determining liability when autonomous AI systems fail or cause harm. If a self-driving car is involved in an accident, for instance, it can be difficult to determine whether responsibility lies with the vehicle's manufacturer, the AI developers, or even the vehicle owner. To address these concerns, some countries are developing laws specifically designed for AI and autonomous systems. For example, Germany became one of the first countries to establish a legal framework for autonomous driving, setting requirements for how these vehicles must operate and what safety features must be in place. In healthcare, AI agents are increasingly used in diagnostic tools, medical imaging, and patient monitoring systems. Regulators such as the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, are working to establish guidelines for the safe deployment of AI-driven healthcare tools. These regulations ensure that AI systems meet rigorous standards for accuracy, patient safety, and data protection, particularly when used in critical environments such as hospitals. Ethical considerations are also central to developing regulatory frameworks. Governments are focusing on issues such as bias and fairness in AI systems, ensuring that AI agents do not discriminate based on race, gender, or socioeconomic status. The Artificial Intelligence Act, proposed by the European Union, aims to regulate AI systems that pose significant risks, particularly in high-stakes areas such as biometric surveillance, recruitment, and credit scoring. Finally, the regulation of AI agents will require ongoing collaboration between governments, industry leaders, and technologists. As AI systems evolve and new challenges emerge, regulatory frameworks will need to be flexible enough to adapt to new technologies, while still ensuring safety, security, and ethical use. In conclusion, the legal and regulatory challenges associated with AI agents are complex and multifaceted, spanning issues of data privacy, cybersecurity, and accountability in autonomous systems. As AI continues to permeate industries and daily life, the development of robust regulatory frameworks will be critical in ensuring that AI agents are deployed safely, ethically, and in compliance with existing laws. Governments and industry leaders must work together to strike a balance between fostering innovation and protecting the rights of individuals.